Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Looplacrochetstudio. Today I'll show you another shape, and this shape is called the Pentagon. So I'll make a loop, chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, and this is your first double crochet, and you'll make 5 double crochet cluster in the loop separated by 2 chains. Here I have 5 sets of double crochet. So I slip stitch in the first double crochet with 3 chain space, and then I'll slip stitch in the next double crochet, and I slip stitch in the first 2 chain space, chain 3, one double crochet in the same space, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same space, and a double crochet in each of the 2 double crochet, double crochet in the 2 chain space, another double crochet in the 2 chain space, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in the same 2 chain space. A double crochet in the next double crochet, another double crochet in the next double crochet in the 2 chain space, double crochet, chain 2, two more double crochet, and a double crochet in the next one beside it, and a chain space, 2 double crochet and 2 chain, I miss chain 3, double crochet in the same space, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same space, and a double crochet in each of these double crochets across to the next chain space. Two double crochet in the chain 2 space, chain 2, 2 more double crochet in the same chain 2 space, and continue like this until the end, and you slip stitch in the first 3 chain space at the beginning of the row. Here you have the pentagon shape. If this video helps, please press subscribe to follow along for more crochet patterns and shapes like this. Thank you.